everyone, this is Christy. Today I have a big announcement to make. I am part of the design team at craftycity.com. It's a store online and the owner is Archana Joshi. And I'm ready to start new projects. I will create a lot of stuff using their supplies, and I will give you ideas on what to do with them. And you will be the first ones to know about the new kits because those kits are great. They have everything included for a project, like a mini album or a gift set or anything. And you will see the ideas that I come with working with those kits. So I highly recommend you to visit the store. I'm going to give you the link in the description box. So you go and take a look at the store and you will see the picture of the ladies who are part of the design team for this store. So I will show you their pictures right now, and the links of their YouTube channels are going to be in the description box. So you have to be subscribed to all of us if you want to see the products and what we do with it. I'm so excited to show you everything that I can do with that. And stay tuned because I'm going to share with you the reveal of the kit by tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.